Elon shuts down Tesla's Giga Shanghai. Let's start with the most recent Tesla news, which includes new Model Ys made in Giga Texas, a Texas stock split, Giga Texas fair invites, and a sabbatical for Tesla's head of AI. Hey everyone, and welcome to Tesla News, where we bring you the newest and best updates about Tesla and Elon Musk. For daily videos, please consider subscribing to our channel. Tesla would have to shut down what was formerly their most productive facility for 4 days today, after the final hub announced on Sunday that it would lock down its 2 stages to undertake mass testing. 2 people familiar with the matter said, U.S. automaker Tesla is stopping production at its Shanghai factory for 4 days. Tesla manufactures cars specifically for local delivery toward the end of each quarter, according to Electrek. So while 4 days isn't a long time, it might cause thousands of local deliveries in China to be delayed. It's just the most recent in a long time of small setbacks for Tesla in recent months. We've seen that Model Y production is increasing here at Giga Texas. This Model Y is seen leaving the plant in drone images, and it appears to be the first red production Model Y made there. The Midnight Silver Metallic appears to be the only color left, and these would be the final experimental manufacturing steps for Tesla as they prepare to begin production soon. Tesla most recently stated in January 2022 that initial Model Y deliveries from Giga Texas are expected by the end of this quarter. It'll be similar to the Giga Berlin Festival. The Cybertruck part of the title would simply relate to the party's overall design, but it's also very likely that the latest Cybertruck prototype, which we saw at Giga Texas, will be present. For the time being, Giga Texas is focused on Model Y production, and it will most likely begin with a lower-range 279-mile 4680 battery version of that car. There are still no details, but the Model Y is clearly the priority, with the Cybertruck coming out of the same factory later. It's unknown who Tesla is inviting to this event, but I, along with many others, would want to go. It should be an opportunity for visitors to view the factory's work, as well as a sneak peek at a new technology coming to the Model Y and maybe the Cybertruck. A big Megapack project is another thing we're going to see execute at Giga Texas. The Tesla Megapack is a massive battery storage system that serves to stabilize the grid and supply consistent electricity wherever it is put. In this case, it should complete Tesla's planned massive solar system at Giga Texas, as well as aid to stabilize the infamously problematic grid where the factory is located. The factory's solar installation has already begun, and drone footage suggests that it may be writing out Tesla from the sky. Tesla applied for Giga Texas LCRA permanent switchyard and BESS, according to a new application with the city of Austin. It's already massive, but the new project is set to be far bigger. Next up today, Tesla has hinted at the possibility of a stock split, which would be a significant development for the company in the future. Tesla will ask shareholders to vote at this year's annual meeting to authorize additional shares in order to enable a stock split. Tesla's official Twitter account stated on the 28th. Tesla announced a 5-to-1 stock split in August of 2020. Tesla's stock price was around $1,300 per share at that time, but the stock split announcement pushed it to a new high. The stock has gone through a lot, but after the split, it's back up to around $1,000. The amount of stock split this time is unknown, but the details and decision should be announced around the time of their shareholder meeting in June. A stock split allows more investors to buy Tesla stock, as the initial price of around $1,000 for a single share can be prohibitively expensive. It's a popular decision, though, because it frequently leads to an increase in Tesla's overall worth. Tesla automobiles are becoming increasingly popular, and the company has a lot going for it in the future. But anything can happen in this industry. Next up, J.B. Struble, the former CTO of Tesla and leading specialist on electric vehicle batteries, has revealed some fresh information on how long he estimates EV batteries will last. This is a major concern among car buyers, as well as a prevalent myth, which many believe that automobiles should be changed every 3 to 5 years. Redwood Materials has already partnered with Ford and Volvo, and will likely partner with a slew of other firms in the future, especially given their 15-year schedule. Battery recycling is critical for EVs, but it hasn't been necessary at scale yet, because EVs haven't been mass-produced and distributed. Estimates vary, but many predicted that it would cost the sector roughly $1 billion per year when it was passed in 2016. Automakers who achieve higher fuel economy then allowed can sell credits to automakers who do not comply with the standards, which is where Tesla comes in. Tesla has announced another recall, this time for 947 vehicles in the United States. This is a minor issue that will be resolved with an over-the-air software update, as is the case with most of Tesla recalls. The problem only affects Model 3 vehicles equipped with Autopilot 2.5 hardware from 2017 to 2020. When you begin to reverse, the rear-view image may not appear immediately, which is a safety problem that could increase the danger of collision. Most owners won't have to think about the patch because it will happen automatically. But the filing states that Tesla will perform an over-the-air update or OTA software update free of charge. Those notices aren't due for quite some time, thus the upgrade will most likely arrive far before any notices are sent out. Today's significant news for Tesla and their FSD objectives comes next. Andrej Karpathy, Tesla's head of AI, has just begun a sabbatical. His break coincides with Tesla's expansion of FSD beta testing to Canada, which has some people concerned. Toronto streetcars are not yet handled well by FSD. By the way, Karpathy is on an around 4-month sabbatical. Karpathy himself commented in a retweet of this tweet, taking some time off to rest and travel after almost 5 years at Tesla. Especially excited to get focused time to reshape in my technological skills and train some neural nets. Though I already miss all the robots and GPU dojo clusters, and looking forward to having them at my fingertips again. In a follow-up tweet, he revealed even more specifics about his vacation, writing, "A number of people ask, I am doing a digital nomad trip, packed up in one backpack and going east, saying hi to friends along the way, and reading papers, writing code. Currently in UK, continuing to Europe, Asia, and wrapping around back to Bay Area." Based on Karpathy's language and subsequent tweets regarding Tesla's advantage in the complete self-driving space, it appears extremely probable that he will return from his vacation. But other Tesla execs have left after similar breaks in the past. Doug Field took a leave of absence in 2018, but was not reported to have left Tesla. He later stated that he would not be returning and that he had departed for Apple and then Ford. This has some Tesla investors, fans, and enthusiasts concerned because he has been a key figure in the FSD program. But it does not appear like he is quitting Tesla. It really doesn't help Elon's latest timetables of making FSD safer than a human by the end of the year, but I wouldn't be surprised if it has little effect. FSD and the FSD package Tesla sells are now priced at $12,000. If you are ordering a Tesla online for a short period, adding this costly package was the quickest way to get your Tesla. I mentioned this a few times, and if you added the FSD package to your order, your delivery date would immediately jump months. Tesla used this strategy to reward customers by prioritizing orders with the highest profit margins. Tesla, on the other hand, promptly reversed the change after it was done. If you configure a Tesla on their website and add the $12,000 FSD package, the delivery date remains the same. Customers have been critical of the original move, which has resulted in more and more delivery gates being pushed back. Many people speculated that the FSD modification was to blame because consumers with extra cash could easily add this package and obtain their car before someone who had bought one a few months previously. I'm delighted to see them reconsider this decision, especially since the FSD package is such a niche add-on that, at its current price, only appeals to people who want to invest in Tesla's eventual full autonomy, whenever that may be. Today's final item is a couple of updates on the EV makers. Multiple Tesla automobiles have been benchmarked by GM. They were first seen using the Smart Summon feature in the Tesla Model 3 with GM manufacturer plates. This appears to be GM testing Tesla's Smart Summon to evaluate how well it works before developing their own version of their Ultra Cruise system. So this was all. Add your thoughts in the comments section below. Also like, subscribe, and share our channel, and stay tuned with us till our next video. We will see you soon with our next video, so be with us and go watch Elon Musk just revealed the insane new $5,000 Tesla car video on your left to see some positive aspects about it as well. Or you can also watch Tesla Model Y 4680 battery will change everything on your right and learn more about the Tesla world. Thank you so much for watching.